In this video, we will review math placement. Math placement scores at Weber State expire and will reset to 0 after 2 years. It's imperative that you start working towards completing your math requirement before your placement score is out of date. Math placement is applied to the math path for your major. As a quick recap, let's look at the math path for business. It includes these 4 classes: Math 950, Math 990, Math 1010, and Math 1050 or 1090. Where you start on the business math path all depends on your math placement. The easiest way to find your current math placement is by looking at the top of CatTrax. You can find CatTrax in your eWeber portal by clicking the Academics button on the left navigation menu. In our example, you can see that our friend Waldo the Wildcat has a math placement of 1. The math placement range is 0 through 6 and is based on a combination of your high school GPA and high school testing such as the ACT or SAT. If your math placement is a 0 or 1, it's likely because we don't have those test scores in your academic profile. If this is the case for you and you want to challenge your placement, you can take a math placement test, which we will discuss in another video. Here are the math placement levels and their corresponding math course. If your math placement is 0 or 1, you'll start in Math 950. If it's a 2, you'll start in Math 990. If it's a 3 or 4, you'll start in Math 1010. If your math placement is 5, you'll start in Math 1050 or 1090. And if your math placement is 6, it means your quantitative literacy or your math requirement has been met for the university. However, keep in mind that a math placement of 6 at the top of your CatTrax is only for Weber State's math graduation requirement and may not meet the math requirement for the School of Business, which is college algebra. If you have questions about your math placement, please contact an academic advisor. If pre-algebra feels like the right fit for your math skills, you're welcome to begin by taking Math 950 without taking a placement test and working your way through all 4 classes on the business math path. If you want to challenge your math placement, you can take the ALEKS placement test. Your ALEKS placement score will determine if you can start in a different math class. You can find the ALEKS placement practice software in your eWeber portal by clicking on the Academics button on the left navigation menu. For more details about math placement, you can go to the A to Z index in the top right corner of the weber.edu website, click P, then click Placement. Check out our other videos for more business advising hacks.